Imagine this, a YouTube channel with only 31 videos, and it's already pulled in over 2.7 million subscribers by posting AI-generated videos of a cute white rabbit doing dramatic and emotional things. Because I know the first thing you're thinking is, but is this kind of AI video even monetizable? And the answer is yes. I used a browser extension called NextLev. It checks if a YouTube channel is actually monetized. It's making thousands of dollars every month, and that's confirmed by Social Blade. I recreated some of their viral videos using the same strategy I broke down in my last video. But today, we're going even deeper. We're not just going to copy rabbit content. We're creating something so realistic, so emotional, so cinematic that people in the comments will be fighting over whether it's real or AI. And here's the real kicker. I'm going to show you how to automate the entire process. From idea to script to image prompts to full AI-generated video. You're going to learn how to build a viral short film on autopilot. In fact, here's a sneak peek of the short video we're going to create by the end of this tutorial. But trust me, the full version at the end is even crazier. So before we jump into this, make sure you hit like and subscribe to the channel because I'm giving you access to everything, the exact prompts, tools, and even a secret platform that does the heavy lifting for you. Now here's where the fun begins. We're going to use ChatGPT like a creativity cheat code. And don't worry, I spent hours crafting and testing the perfect formula, and you can literally copy paste it from the video description, paste the first prompt in ChatGPT, hit enter, and just watch what happens. ChatGPT is going to generate 5 emotional, movie-level short film ideas in seconds, each one starring a brave white rabbit helping other animals survive in dangerous situations, and every single idea is structured to build tension and pay off with that classic heartwarming ending that audiences love. Read through them and pick the one that gives you chills. Now that we've got our story, it's time to turn that idea into something visual, something you can actually feed into an AI video generator. And we're not just going to wing it, we're going to use ChatGPT again with another prompt that I crafted specifically to get scene-by-scene jaw-dropping visuals. So go ahead and copy this next prompt, also linked in the video description. Now here's the key move. Before you hit enter, scroll back up, grab the story idea you chose earlier, and paste it directly underneath that prompt. Then hit enter and just wait for it. ChatGPT will instantly start breaking your story into around 15 individual prompts, each one perfectly formatted to use with AI image generators. It's like having your own movie storyboard artist working in real time. Every prompt will describe the action, lighting, characters, mood, everything. These are going to look like real shots from a Pixar-level short film. And since each prompt stands alone, they'll work even if your AI tool doesn't have memory. You can adjust how many scenes you want to. If you're going for a 1-minute short, 15 scenes is perfect. And just like that, you've got a full short film storyboard ready to go. All right, now that we've got our full storyboard, it's time to bring it to life. We're using a platform that automates the entire video creation process, start to finish. The link to this platform is in the description, and yes, you can try it for free. Just click sign in or get started now. Once you're inside, you'll see a ton of different options. Short videos, films, animations, trending formats. But we're not going to get overwhelmed. Head straight to the section that says generate from idea or script. This is where the real magic happens. Now you've got 2 options here. You can either upload your script as a document or just give the platform a short title. But we're going with the script route because we want this video to follow the exact scenes we just created in ChatGPT. So go back to ChatGPT, copy your 15 scene prompts, and paste them directly into the platform where it pastes from clipboard. That's it. Hit continue and wait for it. The platform is now going to break down your entire script into individual scenes. Here's the cool part. You can actually edit any of these scenes before you go further. Don't like one? Just tweak it. Want to delete one? Click here. Super easy. Before moving on, make sure you select the correct video format. Since we're making content for YouTube Shorts, select 9:16, that vertical format optimized for mobile. Then click Next and choose your video style. You'll see a bunch of different looks here. But for this kind of emotional, cinematic animal content, the cinematic style is your best bet. Click Create Project here and now just sit back. Within about 1 minute, the platform will generate ultra-realistic images for every scene in your video. And I'm telling you, some of these shots are insane. If there's a scene you're not happy with, no problem. Just click on the image and either regenerate it or edit the prompt slightly. You're in full control. Once everything looks good, hit Create Video. Now your images are dropped into a timeline. And from here, you can add voiceovers, background sounds, or even upload your own sounds from your device. And yes, the platform even has AI-generated voiceovers built in. Now here's the final step. Click Generate All Videos. This will animate every single scene. And from here, you can even choose which AI video model you want to use. Gen 4 Turbo, VO2, Kling Pro, they're all here in one place. I tested a bunch of them, and honestly, Kling Pro gave me the best results for realistic animation. Once you've chosen your model, click Export, then select Video, and boom, your video is ready to download. You can even save this whole thing as a template for your next video so you don't have to start from scratch every time. All right, your video's looking amazing, but now we make it hit, because without great sound, even the most cinematic visuals can fall flat. So open CapCut, drop in your video, and let's bring it to life with audio. Need the right sounds? Just ask ChatGPT to suggest sound effects and background sounds based on your video scenes. It'll give you a full breakdown for each moment. Now layer those sounds into CapCut, either from their built-in library or by uploading custom effects. Make sure each sound matches the action perfectly. Footsteps, leaves rustling, water splashing. Make it feel real, then export it in high resolution, and boom, you've got a professional, emotional, and monetizable short film. Now here's the best part. Once you've done this once, doing it again is easy. Just go back to ChatGPT, grab a new story idea from the first prompt, paste it into the second, and feed it all into Catalyst again. And that is how people are growing channels with just a few uploads. If this was helpful, smash that like button and hit subscribe. See you in the next one. Peace.